Question 28 is, can I connect a wood burning stove into a heating system which has a heat pump in it? And the answer, of course, is yes, anything's possible. But a couple of questions I always ask when I'm asked this: why do you want to do this? So most people have a wood burning stove in their lounge. They put the wood in, of course, it heats the lounge up, and that's fantastic. But some people occasionally say, well, if I was to bring some pipes for the heating system and stick them into the back of the wood burner using a thing called a back boiler, I could use that wood burning stove and pump water from that round the house to heat the house nice and simply. The problem we have is this, is that wood burning stoves are uncontrollable heat sources. So if you put lots and lots and lots of logs in, it gets really, really, really hot, and there's no way that you can turn the wick down, if you will, to make sure that you don't boil the water. There's no safety device. So actually, when you're using water with a wood burning or uncontrolled heat source, you have to have a special certificate called HETAS, H-E-T-A-S. And basically what happens is that they have to put loads and loads of safety devices in to make sure that under no circumstances do you let the water boil in the system, because it can then become very, very dangerous and you have all sorts of pressure problems. However, if you really, really insist on connecting it up, what we do is we run some pipework from your wood burning stove into a buffer vessel. It looks like a hot water cylinder, and in that buffer vessel is where our water for the heating is going to go, and inside is a coil which is connected up to the wood burning stove. So it can be done, but most people would say to you the simplest and easiest thing to do is have a freestanding wood burning stove, not actually connected to the heat pump at all. When you light the wood burner, turn the heating off in the room the wood burner's on, let the heat pump do the rest of the house, and let the wood burner crack on in the room it's in.